Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial where I'm going to show you how you can download and install the Devil May Cry 5 game on your PC. So let's get started right away. First of all, you will need to open up your Steam application. After opening it up, make sure that you are logged in using your credentials. Then you will end up within the store page, and now you can just click on the search box and type in Devil May Cry 5 to begin your search. When you find the game, just click on it and this will take you into the game page where you can check out the trailer and the reviews. Scroll down and click on the Add to Cart button alongside the version or bundle that you wish to buy. Then you can click on the View My Cart button and continue towards your payment. Now just select your payment method and then continue forward by providing the credentials of the method that you have selected. Once the transaction is completed, the game will then be added to your library, and you can now complete the game installation with just a few clicks. After this, you can start enjoying the Devil May Cry 5 game on your PC. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to download and install Devil May Cry 5 on your PC. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next one.